CNC Skiving Gear Shaping Machining Center GMS 450 is a skiving machine with a combination of turning and drilling functions that we developed for high accuracy and superior performance gear manufacturing. With a GMS 450, you can do 3 jobs on one machine. It is the most compact skiving machine in its class, requiring only 80 square feet of installation space, but can handle 450 millimeter diameter workpieces. You can save incredible amounts of space compared to installing an NC lathe, machining center, and gear shaper. By installing the GMS 450, you can handle a variety of production formats and convert your gear production lines into smart production lines. By using a skiving process, you can get more than double efficiency compared with conventional gear shaping. Plus, your productivity will greatly improve by eliminating the time for setting workpieces and changing tools, and by saving jobs through multi-function processing. The GMS 450 is an excellent skiving machine for small lot variable workpiece production up to mid-range volume production. As you can see, we have created a large working space, so changeover work, such as the lifting and handling of large to small workpieces, is easy. Changeover work shouldn't have to be hard and cramped. Six tools can be set on the main unit, and the automatic tool changer can smoothly change tools. Next, take a look at our Skiving Gear Shaping Machining Center GMS 450 perform 3 jobs: turning, drilling, and gear cutting. Skiving is a gear cutting method that involves the setting of a pinion-shaped cutter at a cross-axial angle and then moving it along the axis of the workpiece. There are 2 advantages. 1, work can be much more efficient than gear shaping. 2, tooth leads can be changed by program. CNC Skiving Cutter uses excellent coatings and superior materials, so it offers great wear resistance, chipping resistance, and thermal shock resistance. This improves accuracy and ensures long tool life. The CNC Skiving Gear Shaping Machining Center GMS 450 is an integrated gear manufacturing machine that combines multiple processes for high efficiency in everything from small lot multiple workpieces up to mid-range volume production, with a small footprint and easy operation. It can support a variety of gear shapes with excellent flexibility and productivity.